Hi guys, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make some Palak Paneer. Palak is also known as spinach and paneer is the Indian cottage cheese. It is a common curry and it's very nutritious because it contains spinach and paneer, which contains a lot of protein. Hope you enjoy my dish. If you like my dish, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing you new recipes on a regular basis. Thank you. Wash and cook 1 large packet of spinach in the microwave for 4 minutes at full power. It's important not to overcook it to help maintain its color. Add green chilies and ginger to a mixer grinder and then add the cooked spinach. Though I have not added any water to the spinach while cooking, you can see some water has condensed. Grind it to a smooth puri as shown in the video. Take paneer cubes, cardamom, cloves and cinnamon stick. Finally chop onion, ginger and garlic. Heat 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil in a pan and add mustard seeds. When it starts spluttering, add the cumin seeds, followed by the cardamom, cloves and cinnamon sticks. Then add the finely chopped onion, ginger and garlic. Mix well and add salt and saute till it starts turning translucent. Add the paneer cubes and saute for a couple of minutes. Then add the spinach, ginger and green chili puri that you have prepared. Take half cup of water in the mixer grinder and add it to the curry. Mix it well. Add turmeric, coriander and cumin powder and mix it well. When it starts to boil, turn off the flame and add garam masala. Do not overcook it, otherwise it will not preserve the color. Squeeze some lemon into it and transfer it to a serving bowl. Garnish with freshly cut coriander leaves and serve. The delicious Palak Paneer can be eaten with rice or any of the Indian breads or enjoyed on its own.